Today, we've reached a grim milestone. As of today, we've surpassed 600,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Wisconsin, a total of 600,297 confirmed cases to be exact, with 6,850 of our fellow Wisconsinites having lost their lives to this virus. It's almost impossible to understand the impact of those numbers. They're so big that they seem removed from our lives, more theoretical or symbolic than real and tangible. But for the daughter who called to check on her dad who had COVID-19, only to hear him struggle to breathe, the numbers are not theoretical. For the nurses who knew their faces were the last their patients would see, their hands the last they would hold. For our healthcare professionals on the front lines of this pandemic, the numbers are all too real. This past year, over a year, has been a year of loss. Many of us have grieved loved ones lost, and all of us have had to deal with so much change. Changes to who we see, changes to how we interact, changes to where we go and what precautions we take. And after this long, I know it can feel overwhelming to hear that cases are still increasing and that we're still losing friends and neighbors to this virus. And that is why it is so important to get vaccinated. It is our most effective tool to get through this pandemic. And the more of us who get vaccinated, the faster we can get there. We are making progress, and each dose administered gets us closer. So today, as we pass this milestone of 600,000 cases, let us recommit. Recommit to preventing more cases and more deaths. Recommit to remembering that these numbers represent people and that this virus results in loss for far too many. And recommit to stopping it in its tracks. Thank you for getting vaccinated, for reaching out to friends and family to share your vaccine story and help them access appointments or walk-in clinics. And thank you for doing your part to stop the spread.